UMLA ka Shillong North ba Adelbert nong rum ulabu jingkili haying Dorbar halor ka jingbam Treikam Shuh jangki sab huwei tili ki self-help group ki badan hasor. Shua kane usembut menteri rangba habajubab halor ka jingkili ulayat hu bakidan hadu sanspa shipau tili ki self-help group balathau hasor nadu usnam arhajar khatsau. Bat nakini hadu sab huwei tili ki klemla ban Treikam. Uang ru bana kalian ke sorkar ka buat den ban kentuye ki bakin pen embyang ya ka grup jongki. Na kalian menteri rangba konrat ke sang mapan ulaong ba hanong kendong ki self help group ki Treikam bah batang hakini ki kendiat senam ke jingkiu kralong ke bastet bah.
Supplementary to the reply B. May I know what is the reason in spite of this crisis of unemployment, why this figure 41, a 41 group, self-help group are non-functional? May I know the reason, sir?
Mr. Speaker, sir, the reason is that because they are inactive due to the inactiveness of the groups, in basic groups, and we from department, we are still making awareness for them, request them to reactivate again. So presently they are not active. So we are requesting them to make it active again. It's because of the reason, not from the government side.
So the second supplementary, may I know from Honorable Minister through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, whether this amount sanctioned in the urban self-help group is the same with the rural self-help group?
Mr. Speaker, sir, it's not the same. In urban, we give 10,000 rupees. So this rural is not pertaining to urban, so, but it's not the same. It seems maybe 2,500 or something for the rural. So I'm not very sure. I'm not very sure because deal with the CNRD department. But for urban, it's 10,000 as a startup funds, revolving funds. And for rural, it seems 2,500 something, more or less.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as per my knowledge, why there is a disparity between these two in the same state, although we belong? As per information, just to share in this Agos house, compare the rural area self-help group. Startup rupees 2,500, revolving fund rupees 10,000. And number 3, CIF means Community Investment Fund, that is 1,10,000. So whereas comparing with the urban self-help group, they are getting only 10,000. I will not accept what Honorable Deputy Chief Minister mentioned, that it is not the fault from the government, it is the fault from the SHA group. May I get a clarification?
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm happy to inform the honourable member. Yes, it's a fact 10,000 is too less, but we had proposed enhancement to the government only, and in fact they are approved now. From 10,000, they had enhanced to 25,000 from this 2024. So no more 10,000 now, it's increased to 25,000.
I don't know whether to accept or not, because because what the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister had make a stand verbally that they will be increasing another 25,000. What in the in this reply, paper, huh? So it appears here 10,000. To whom to? Which one to take?
Mr. Speaker, sir, it's very simple. Actually, there's not much complication. Sir, both the NULM as well as the NRLM are central schemes. These schemes are not state government schemes. It's the same amount that is given throughout the country. So the amount of 10,000 was decided by Government of India. And similarly for NRLM also, the same amount which is being given in Meghalaya is what being given in the rest of the country. So number one fact is that it is not a Meghalaya government scheme, it's a central government scheme. So we are not deciding the amounts. Number two, as mentioned by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, that since we all felt, not just Meghalaya, the whole country felt that the amount was too less, we have written to Government of India requesting, and the information has come to us that the enhancement is being done. So that is what it is. So we're waiting for the official sanction, but as of now we're receiving only 10,000, but we have been informed that it will now be increased to 25,000. So it's very simple, sir. There's no confusion in the facts.